this is Joan-Marie Domino, and what do I have here? Another pile of napkins from Vippies Designs. But this time I'm only going to be giving you highlights of their newest napkins because they're just putting too many napkins on, and I want to have time to do a project just like this one. Look how cute that is. I'm going to show you how to make this. So much fun. So one of my viewers wrote to me and said, Joan, I need ideas. Well, I have lots and lots of ideas on my Facebook page, but you know what? I'm going to show you a few in this video as well. And we're going to start with the recycle bin. We always find stuff there. So these are just a couple of ordinary tin cans, and I decoupaged both with a napkin, and I have a video that shows you exactly how to do that. Now, staying with the recycling, this is a jar. I have a video for doing a jar too, especially if you are a beginner, and that is a beautiful napkin from Vippies Designs. Now, here's a couple of coasters, and of course, both of those are napkin, and I have a really fun technique for making coasters. This is one of my last projects. This is actually a ceramic tile I got from a hardware store. I even put a little bit of snow. This was also done with a paper napkin, but using a technique called crackling, and I show you how to do that. This is a glass plate from the Dollar Tree, and I used mulberry paper on that. And you know what? You can even use your napkins to create greeting cards and gift tags. I hope some of these things I just showed you inspired you to do things with your napkins, like create these jars and cans that came out of the recycle bin. If you need DIY instructions or ideas, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. Share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. You want to see more stuff? Go to my Facebook page, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. It goes right along with my YouTube channel. Follow me there. Now on to the beautiful napkins. And remember, I have a project for you too. Onto the napkins, and just remember, this is only a sampling of what Vippies Designs has in stock. All right, we'll start with this beautiful autumn leaves, and the print goes all the way across. Another autumn leaves. This one also has berries and acorns on it. It's really very pretty, and all 4 panels are printed. Fresh Sunshine Farms. That background is kind of like a burlap, and when you open it up, you're going to see that 2 panels are printed. Give Thanks has a nice wood grain with the pumpkins in front, and when you open it, all 4 panels are printed. Pretty wreath gathered here with grateful hearts, like a parchmenty background, and all 4 panels are printed. Cute gnome couple, happy fall you all, the nice wood grain background. All 4 panels are printed. Season of Gratitude is a nice oatmeal background, I guess you would say, in the gray plaid, and all 4 panels are printed. Another pretty wreath says Thankful, and this one's a little bit different. When you open it up, 2 panels are printed. One is printed with thank you, the other is not, and these come in a set of 2. Here's our gnome couple again, this time in the back of a pickup truck. All 4 panels are printed. Thankful has kind of a wood grain background in gray. All 4 panels are printed. Happy Thanksgiving with that red pickup truck. We love that. And this napkin printed on all 4 panels and comes in 2 sizes. Love that. Another napkin with leaves, all different colors, very fall. Open it up, print goes all the way across, and you're going to get 2. Another wreath says Thankful. This is a really pretty wreath. Now, the Thankful is only on 1 panel, but it's really a pretty wreath. 2 pumpkins, 3 pumpkins, 4 pumpkins. And when you open it up, you can see that it's not cut off. Even though 2 panels are printed, it's not cut off. Next up, you get 2 of them, is Happy Fall with the sunflower. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of these in the set. Now, I do have the jar I use, but I use that on the larger size napkin. So they now have that napkin in 2 sizes. Another pretty leaf pattern, Gather with Thanks, and again, that burlappy kind of background. It's really pretty. Nice wreath. Another wreath, Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. All 4 panels are printed. Love this collage with the apples and the pumpkins and the pine cones, and there's carrots. Really nice. All 4 panels printed. All right, sunflower. This is the 3rd size that this napkin print comes in, and so Vippies has all 3 of them now. Okay, onto our long size with the pumpkin, a deep orange. I love that, with the pumpkins in the corner and all 6 panels are printed. Beautiful design. We have this in beverage. I love this. This is one of my favorite napkins, and look at that. You actually get like 2 full pictures of flowers. Oh, I love that. So pretty. Another season of gratitude. This time it's in the longer size, and when you open it, all 6 panels are printed. And next up, another long one. Look at those beautiful pastel pumpkins and a nice gold border and a very pale ivory background. And all 6 panels are printed. Another long one. This got nice bright fall colors in it, and the pattern goes all the way across. Love that. And you're going to get 2. Love that even more. Another really pretty napkin. This is like yellow with greens of the sunflower and the leaves. It's really nice. Nothing is cut off. And guess what? You're going to get 2 of this one too. That was a little sampling of the newest napkins that Vippies has added to their website, www.vippies.com. You can see everything there. And you can like and follow them on Facebook. And now on to our fun project. I started with a plain paper cup, and I cut off the bottom, and with the top part I smushed it down on the bottom, and then I stapled it closed. When I was done with that, I took a napkin to make sure it fit. Now with decoupage we only use the top layer, so I'm separating the napkin, and that's going to fit perfect on the cup. Now I'm going to put it on with Mod Podge. I'm going to do half at a time. So the top half is Mod Podge on it. Now we're going to do the same thing with the bottom. And we're just going to flip it down. I'm going to smooth it with my fingers, but I'm going to put a piece of saran wrap on it too to smooth it out. And it looks perfect. Okay, now with the extra on the edges, I'm going to glue that to the back. Put a little bit of Mod Podge there. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. Now for the bottom, I'm going to do it with flipping it up with the Mod Podge like that. And then on the top, I'm going to be flipping it down so it goes onto the inside of the cup. All right, next I'm going to punch a few holes, and I'm using an 1/8 inch punch. Makes it very easy because the cup is paper. That's going to be for my handle. All right, so here's the bottom part of the cup, and that's going to go right there. And I have a little pumpkin I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it in half, and that's going to fit perfectly. I put a little stem on it, and then to adhere it to the bottom of the cup, I used regular glue because the hot glue will melt it. I just put it there on the bottom, and I'm just going to wait for it to dry. And then in the meantime, I'm going to show you what I did with the handle. Some ordinary wire, and I actually doubled it up, and then I twirled it around a pen. So easy. And then I just kind of pulled it apart, kind of give it a nice funky look. And then if you want, you can also add some beads just to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so now I can adhere the pumpkin to the cup. A little bit of hot glue. I'm going to press it down and take a look at that. So here's my finished project. I'm going to give you a close-up so you know how I finished it off. I added some paint to the pumpkin. I added orange paint around the edges and around the circle part, the center part of it, and it looks absolutely beautiful with the fall colors in it. And there's the handle. I can hang that right up. I love how this project turned out. It was like next to nothing. A paper cup and a napkin. Love it. I love this project. I love the idea of the upcycling of a paper cup. I hope you were inspired to make something like this. And look, you need more inspiration. Go to my Facebook page, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Follow, give me a thumbs up, and go to my YouTube channel as well. Subscribe there, share it with your friends. And when you're looking for napkins, head over to Vippies Designs Napkin Shop, www.vippies.com.